Okay, by special request, I have been asked to do an N-scale locomotive. So what I got here is this is what we got. Let's see if we can focus on that. Which one is it? Life-Like GP38-2 BN. It's got the Rapido couplers. Okay, this was part of a donation to T-Track Club, and well, let's try. I'm going to show you what we got here. Well, the first thing I had to do first, so I set up a little piece of N-scale flex track, and when I put the locomotive on there, I didn't really get any response. But I'd never used this piece of track before, so I sanded it, and then I went ahead and I coated it with my usual stuff, Oxguard. So the track for sure is perfect. So the condition this arrived in is like this. Now let's zoom out a little bit. So it arrived in. That noise in the background, that is parts in the ultrasonic cleaner getting cleaned up, which we're going to do to this one. Alright. It was doing some jerking. There we go, now it's jerking again. Alright, it has been a number of years since I have done an N-scale. I already have a pretty good idea what I'm going to find inside. We're going to go through, break it down, and we're going to make the easiest fixes we can make to get this in really good running condition. And I'm probably going to go ahead and detail this shell a little bit, make it look a little nicer. But so it's operational, but in a T-track layout, if you were showing it, I wouldn't expect it to be going around the track all the time without stalling. And what we need to do is we got to find out. One thing I do know about this locomotive, it hadn't been used for hardly ever in service on a layout. But in general, it hasn't really been run since basically it was the guy who had it. He upgraded his layout. He didn't use this, and it sat. And he decided to donate it to the T-Track Club. And so now I'm going to fix it up. And so up next, we are going to break it down.